Now guys, I show to you already the BMW F50 xDrive BMW 8 Series model. This is the BMW 850 xDrive. Hi guys, this is Mechanical BMW cars from Jeddah KSA guys. Now I'm going to share to you the new BMW 8 Series model. This is the white color. This is the BMW 850i xDrive G16 and 63 engine B. So this is the model is 2020. Okay lang yan. Let's continue kayo. You can see guys, KNC is removing the spring blocker because they are protecting from the shock absorbers. Now we are going to remove that spring blocker to keep or saving spring shock absorbers. Now this car is a pre-delivery inspection check, so they are checking the body, under chassis, the engine, and then the interior and exterior design, so that the before we turn over to the quality is good condition. The quality will be double checked and then the transfer to a service advisor to giving to showroom. So now guys, I'm going to show to you the headlight. You can see this headlight is a laser headlight display. This laser headlight display, this headlight of the BMW new model headlight. Now guys, you can see the mags, the rims of the BMWs. This rim is what size rim this one? This 20 inches rim. This 245/35 size tire. The tire's name is Pirelli. You can see this 850 8 Series BMW. They lift up the vehicle because they put some accessories kit of the bumper. You can see the display of the headlight. You can see the muffler mag. Now guys, is the BMW interior designs of the exterior designs of the BMW. So engineering is very efficiency dynamic of the BMW. Now guys, we lift up the vehicle to check the underneath suspension of this BMW 850 8 Series, the new model. You can see this rear suspension. They are checking the underneath suspension of this vehicle PDI, the pre-delivery inspection check. So we can double check the chassis if they have deform or damage of this BMW rear suspension. You can see the design. You can see the transmission. This is the end transmission. This is the gearbox transmission. This is the engine. This area is the engine cover. They are fixing now the accessories kit from the bumper. This is the radar sensor radar. You can see the beautiful design, interior design of the engineering of BMW, guys. It's very elegant. Now guys, they fixing the clip for the accessories, for the protector for the bumpers. This clip they are putting a screw type of the accessories. They are preventing for the protector for this engine for debris rock. Now guys, I already fixed the repair kit of the BMW. This is the one, the installing kit, the accessories of the BMW, the protector of the bumper underneath, this one. Now it's very beautiful design. Bawa mo na kayo, Vince? You can see now guys the engine of the BMW 850 8 series xDrive. This engine is G16 N63 engine B. This is the Mpower Performance. You can see the huge engine, the BMW 850i xDrive. You can see guys the engine starting. You can see the noise of the BMW xDrive F50 Mpower. You can see the lights of tail light of the BMW 850i xDrive. Kaya accelerate mo nga. You can see the noise of the strong muscle power of the engine. You can hear now guys the sounds of the engine. Now guys, I'm going to show to you the interior designs of this BMW 850i xDrive. The interior designs of the BMW engineering. I'm going to show to you the beautiful design, the efficiency and dynamic. You can see the leather seat, and then the interior seat. You can see the blinking lights of the edge of the ambient light, this one.